Klur Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
A Committee on Public Undertaking trong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hakalai potrik naitung aja penriau kalasyong ikajingelang pan sakhi hakabai dei bakajing Siew yakaram belashim di karkhana bat nagi jingsham jinglam belapan pau the Controller and Audit General of India hakabai dei bakajing pentrai yak subhagya bayaka Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Grami Jyoti Yojana Scheme yaka jingelang lapanya chairperson ka komiti uba Charles Marngar ringkat kajian dan langi dekat ke komiti usketri jong ke assembly Umalthus El Sangma usketri ke tanat Bording Urama Krishnan Chituri bat ki he ofisa na ke tanat Bording hau kerwo balapha asikilap sai khubor hakalai pho tarik naitung aja penriu ke komiti kelapan pau ya kajing smokhia halo kajing bampat siudam ke CMJ Breweries ya karam bat ke komiti kelabatha ban siu no khamklo ya karam haba bisharnya ekaram badangsa jong ke MSCMG Breweries Private Limited Byrnihat ke komiti ke-8 pau bakajing siudap ekaram kadang duna namar nakaram ka bakot Henry Phuwei pon khandai pusau Klur la siu tang ar phulai pon khandai phupra Klur kat ba karam ka badangsa kalong sa ar khandai Klur wala ka por blabu ban siudap ya karam kalong hau nailar aja apun riau laitu baka Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation kala pentip syaka komiti bakala syem yak sinjam pan kloy ke jinglum pan phai karam hakaba ka komiti kala batha ya katanat ka badipet pan IT ya ka kaifat ka babanya hadin belakular ban Bording ya kani kakam ka komiti kala bisharu ya kimukot duma jong ka MS Gravestone Smelters baga Gravestone Strip Limited hakaba la pentip bakaram jong kini ki arteli company la penkot no ajing khendram hadin ka jing menjur jong ka board of director jong ka MIDC haka jingalang kaplalong haka apusau trek nailur ahaja upusan hendai ka komiti kelapan syai baka jingdu unang kamut belamap no yakaram labatha eka management bandang beteng ban Bording yaka jinglum bat ban panphai yakaram berangsa bala ai pori kini ki company tang sitiyo ban pankhut yakaram haki weipat ki jing bishar ka komiti kelapan pau baka Aura Hotels and Resort Private Limited kada panphai pura yakaram kabakot San Phuwei Klur kat bah karam kabarangsa jong ka bat hok nong mali Ford dealer mawyong rem lapan bet lingba ka jingya bujli ya ka jaka ka bahe sau phulai lang arfu araja square feet kabadan hakawasing rani Ribhoi district ka komiti kala bishar banyaru ya ka jing panpau jong ka CEG halor kaman undue financial benefit to contractor under Swabhagya and DDU GGY kabapau haka kaipot jong ka CAG halor ki benta ka social and economic sector na ka benta usnam ublakut haka life waiterik uleber arajar puar haka babishar ya kani kaman ka komiti kalam balapalaj ya ka jing Siew claim da pensisya ba gi kot kisla insurance ki bade bandan kat kum ka kendon kata Bording la pentikena ya ka komiti baon sa syemi gi sinjam ki bade persya yaki ofisa bidang keti ka komiti kala batha ekatanat ban IT ka kaipot ka babanya haror kani kaman hapo shibnai.
Number one is regarding the MSCM Breweries Private Limited Byrnihat. We had discussed regarding the repayment of the repayment period has been regarding the loan repayment. The loan repayment is very poor. Like the principal amount of this loan is 61.94 crores, and out of this, the repayment has been paid till today is 23.98 crores, and the remaining balance to be paid is 29 crore, and the last date of the remaining balance is in the month of August 2026. And from our committee, Public Undertaking Committee also, we will follow up the matter, and we have given the direction, the instruction to the department concerned to give us a detailed report on this matter. And point number 2 regarding the MS Greystone Smelters and Greystone Strip Private Limited. The loan account of both the units have been written off with the approval of the boards of directors during its 242nd meetings on the 24th September 2025. As per the minutes of the 242nd meetings of the board of directors, it was clearly stated that writing off the bad loan doesn't mean a waiver. The management will have to continue to pursue and to follow up the recovery of the 2 loans. And also we have discussed about the Aura Hotel and Resort Private Limited. So regarding this hotel, I'm very happy to inform that the Aura Hotel and at the same time the Bad Hong normally Mao Yong Rem Fort Dealer, they have already cleared the loans. The Aura Hotels, they have already cleared the loan of 51 crores. And the Bad Hong normally also, they have already cleared the loan by handed over a property of measuring about 43 lakhs 22,000 square feet, more or less, situated at Kawasing, Rani, Riboy district. And the agenda number 2, the oral meeting number 2, we have an oral meeting with the power department. So regarding the power department, we have got the observation from the brief from the AG audit regarding the details of documentary evidence, bill vouchers supporting that recoveries has been made from the contractors as per the reply, and many more report. Many more report they will be given very soon. And also we have discussed regarding the DDU-JY schemes and the Subhagya scheme. So regarding these 2 schemes, we have decided, and the committee and the department concerned also, they have assured us to take action. Action has to be taken against the officers for releasing the payment without verifying the insurance documents.
Kanong ba Byrnihat kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artali ki jala ha ka benta jong ka Assam don kumba ar phautali ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically polluted hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de na ka ta ka daw kini artali ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan